Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 2 8mm screws and 6 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Flip the unit back over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover. Slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Lift the palmrest partway up, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip the palmrest over and remove the tape that's covering the touchpad screws. Remove 3 2mm screws from the touchpad. Lift the palmrest partway up and slide the touchpad free to remove. Replace the touchpad into the new palmrest. And replace the 3 2mm screws. With the palmrest slightly tilted, plug the palmrest cable back into the motherboard. And plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Lay the palmrest down and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 2 8mm screws and 6 6mm screws back into the bottom cover.